I'm about to get started here. I'm going to shave my head. It's very emotional for me to do this.
What is going on, everybody? I'm excited about this video today. We're going to be looking at hair system transformation, as well as looking at someone's story with hair loss and how much it has changed their life. This video is sponsored by Lord Hair, who is sponsoring education inside of the community, and we're going to be taking a look at someone who is using a Lord Hair system and really how it changed his life. Now, for those of you who don't know, Aaron O'Brien is somewhat of a recent celebrity up in Canada. He is a hairstylist who just won Marilyn Davis's challenge on her show, and he's opening up about his own struggles with hair loss and how it's affected his life and what he's doing now in order to better serve his clients. This is a really cool, touching video, as well as you get to see a pretty cool before and after. I think he looks way better in the after than he does in the before. And you can just see that he's got that light in his eyes. So it's just another cool example of what these hair systems can do and how they can transform people's lives. So I'm excited about this. Enough of my chitter chatter. I'm actually going to shut up so that way you can watch this for yourself.
Hair is a big part of everything in my life, including the hair on my own head. And I feel that me losing my hair and going through this journey of hair loss through the years has really gotten me down and affected my confidence to the level where it gets me extremely emotional, that I don't feel like myself anymore, that I sit there and I look in the mirror some days and I can't even see myself anymore. You lose your confidence, you lose your drive, you just don't feel like yourself, and you do all these things to betray the you that you once were. And it's so much of an effort trying to do everything every day to hide it, with the powder, with the hairsprays, with back combing, with combing hair over, with growing my hair. And all of those efforts on a daily or every second day trying to do that is exhausting. And I just want to do something where it's going to make my life so much easier. And that's why I've decided to use a hair system. And this is something new that I've really kind of discovered over the past few years, and I've done a lot of research, but I've never really had the drive or the confidence to push myself to do something like this. But my hair's gotten to a point where I just don't know what to do anymore. I've had X amount of transplants and I just don't want to have to go through that all over again. And it was great at the time, but now I just want something that's going to be easy. Maybe this is going to be more fun for me. This is something where I get to be more involved with trying new hair, and even in my profession being able to help people more and showing them how they can use systems in their hair and to enhance their own look and make them feel like themselves again. So I'm about to get started here. I'm going to shave my head. I'm so nervous about this. It's very emotional for me to do this, and even talking about it gets me quite upset that I'm about to shave my head and put a hairpiece on. But I know, and I have a great feeling, like I've done my research and this is going to make me feel better. So I'm about to start with the shaving on my head, and I'm really nervous about it, and I'm quite emotional that I'm about to shave my head. It's really hard, but I'm gonna do it. I've committed. Here we go.
Riding with you in the sunnier days, I wouldn't want it any other way.
Okay, here we go. happy that I've done this. I am so ecstatic that I've chosen to use a hair system. I've been through such a journey with my hair, and finally I feel like I've discovered something that really works for me. I have the confidence again, I can look at myself in the mirror and I feel like me. I honestly couldn't be happier.
So what do you guys think? Do you think he looks better in the after than he does in the before? Did the story touch you? I know it really affected me in a deep way. I can relate to a lot of the points that he is talking about inside of this video. And, you know, the amount of hair loss that he had on top of his head is you know, a lot. And some of us have more than this guy right here. You know, he was using hair fibers, it looks like, as well, as he had a lot of transplants. I don't know if you caught that, but he says that he had transplants and he was sick of getting transplants and he didn't want to have to get another one. And this was going to be a quick, easy way for him to fix all that stuff, which, you know, is one of the advantages of hair system. So I'm excited for him. I think it's cool. And shout out to Lord Hair for sponsoring this video, but also for helping change this guy's life. Talk to you soon.